It's been about 2 weeks of cough for him. We're in Mississippi. The pollen literally is on everything. It is in the roads. It looks like it's raining pollen. It's coating everything. You can't walk outside without there being something yellow. And now I feel like my throat is scratchy. Everything was negative with him, but he's still like, oh, this is the worst time in Mississippi is allergy season. Pollen. This is the worst it's ever been. I'm convinced. It's ridiculous. And to add to my last post, this pollen has got us southern folk coated like some lemon pepper chicken wings. Coated.